Pandas exercises, let's slice and dice the data. In this video, we will be working on two Pandas exercises where you will be importing the data, you will be seeing some descriptive statistics for that data, and then you will be doing some basic manipulations on those data sets. Let us get started. In this exercise 1, we have a data set called weather data, which is directly taken from a website called Kaggle, where you can find plenty of data science stuff, including data sets, codes, and I highly encourage you to go and visit that website. Your first task will be to import this data set, which is directly available in your working directory right over here. Then, as you go along, you will have to follow all the instructions that are there in the board. For example, here it says that once you have imported this data set, then you have to check the structure of each of the columns using the info command. So just think how you can work on this. You will see some of the blanks. That means you will have to replace those blanks and you will have to fill the commands for yourself. This is just one example, but as you go along, the exercises will start to get little harder. Then after that, you will have exercise 2, which is just the continuation of exercise 1. But in this case, you will be working on a different dummy data sets. Here, you will also be working on how to handle missing values, then replacing any given values, then creating pivot tables, and then merging the data sets.